In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Tapswap account and complete tasks on Telegram. First, open your Telegram app. In the search bar at the top, type Tapswap. You'll see several results, so choose the official Tapswap bot. Look for the one that clearly identifies itself as the official option so you know you are in the right place. Tap on the bot, and when the chat opens, press the Start button. This launches the mini app inside Telegram. You'll see a welcome message along with a prompt to begin playing. That prompt is important because starting the game is what creates your account automatically. When you are ready, tap Start Now to move into the main screen. From here, you'll see a large coin icon in the center. Tap that coin to begin mining tokens. Every tap counts, and you can even use multiple fingers to speed things up if your screen can handle multi-touch. Keep your taps quick and light for the best response. As you tap, you'll see your token count rise, and your progress is saved within the bot, so you can come back anytime and continue where you left off. Next, look for the Task tab or button in the menu. This is where you can earn extra tokens by completing simple missions. Inside, you'll find options like subscribing to Tapswap's Telegram channels, following their social media accounts on platforms such as X and YouTube, and participating in the referral program by inviting friends. Each task clearly describes what you need to do. Open a task, complete the action as directed. Then return to the bot so your progress is recognized and the reward is added to your balance. For referrals, share the invite option you see in the bot with people who might enjoy playing, and you'll typically earn bonuses when they start. Make it a habit to check back on the Task tab every day. New missions appear regularly, and there are daily rewards you can collect just for returning. These small, consistent actions add up over time, helping you grow your token count without much effort. If you ever get lost, simply return to the bot's main screen and navigate back to the tasks or the coin icon to continue. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.